Hello guys, today we are going to make these 20 different kinds of zipper pulls, or you can also use as a keychain like this. Okay, so for the zipper pulls you can use it's like this. Okay, so these are different types of zipper pulls that you can use. So before we continue, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for the upcoming videos. Okay, let's go. Number one, we are going to make overhand knot. We will use 30 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so first just make a bite like this, then wrap it around on your finger. This is the easiest knot for making this zipper pull. Okay, this is the basic knot, overhand knot. Okay, so you can cut this or you can leave as it is, so up to you. You can cut at the edge or you can leave at least 1 centimeter, then just melt at the end. Okay, so now we have our first overhand knot. Number 2, double figure 8 knot. So for this one we will use 30 centimeter 550 paracord. So just wrap it on your finger and then wrap it around. And then insert in the loop. Just like that. Okay, so double figure 8 knot, then we will cut the edge. Then melt the edge. Okay, so now we have our double figure 8 paracord knot. Number 3 is snake knot. So for this one we will use 50 centimeter 550 paracord. So first make a bite like this, then hold it. Okay, so and then the easiest way to make snake knot is take this strand that is away from you, then wrap it around on your finger, and then this one you have to insert inside the loop. Okay, and then tighten up. Okay, so same way, wrap it on your finger, then another strand insert from above, insert in the loop, then tighten up. Just do the same process. So it's up to you how many knot do you want to make. So for this one we will make at least 5. 25 snake knot. Okay, so for this one, you can leave at least, up to you, short strand, or you can cut at the edge. Okay, so for this one, we will cut the edge. And then we will make this part. Okay, so now we have our zipper pull snake knot paracord. Number 4 is double snake knot. So for this one, we will use at least 40 cm 550 paracord. Okay, so you have to make a bite like this, then hold it. Okay, and then wrap around this one on your finger. Then the next strand you have to insert in this loop, and then this one, okay, we will insert it again. We will wrap it around once more, then twist it. Then this one, this strand, we will insert it also once more. That's why we call it double snake knot. Then you can tighten up. Okay, so this is double snake knot. So you can cut the edge of the knot, or you can leave few centimeters. So for this one, we will leave at least 2 centimeters. Okay, and then melt the edge of the strand, and that's it. So we have our double snake knot paracord zipper pull. Number 5, Matthew Walker knot. So for this one, we will use 25 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so make a bite like this, and then the left strand, make a loop. Okay, make a loop like this, and then the right strand, make a loop under and insert on the left loop, and this left strand insert in the right loop. Okay, then wrap around, insert in the left loop. Okay, and then this left strand you will insert in the right loop. Then you can tighten up. So now we have our Matthew Walker knot zipper pull. So we can cut on the edge of the knot, or you can leave at least 1 centimeter extra. So it's up to you. You have to melt this edge. Okay. So this is our zipper pull Matthew Walker knot. Number 6, extended Matthew Walker knot. So for this one we will use at least 40 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so first make a loop. From the left loop we'll make a loop that will cross above, okay, like this, and then the right strand you'll make a loop that will cross under, then insert in this loop, okay, and the loop that cross above will insert in the the left strand that cross above you will insert in the right loop. Okay, then you will continue to the next loop, then this one you will wrap it around, okay, like this, then continue also, and this one you will insert also in the loop. It's like you will make a 3 wrap, okay. So one more, and then the last one, okay, then you can tighten up. Okay, and then we have to cut this edge. Up to you, you can cut on the edge of the knot, or you can leave at least 1 to 2 centimeter strand, then melt the edge of the strand. Okay, so now we have our extended Matthew Walker knot. Number 7, cross knot. So for this one we need at least 30 centimeter 550 paracord. So first make a loop that will cross under, okay, this strand that cross under you will make another loop. It's like letter S, so it's like that, okay, it's letter S, then make another one, the third one, okay, so it's like that, you see, and then this strand you will insert in this loop, okay, then you will insert it here, okay, then tighten up all corners, okay, then cut the extra strand, and then make it to lock it up, okay. So now we have our cross knot super pull. Number 8, Solomon knot. Okay, so for this one we need at least 50 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so first make a bite like this, okay, and then from this point make a loop, okay, loop the left strand, make a loop that will cross above, and then this right strand you will wrap it on then the strand that cross above, then insert in the loop. Okay, then tighten up. Then this one, the strand that cross above, you will cross again above, then you will wrap the left strand, wrap, then under, then insert in the loop. So same procedure, the strand that cross above, you will cross it again, then wrap it around, insert in the loop. Same procedure. Okay, so cut the extra, then melt it, the edge of the strand. Okay, so now we have our Solomon knot zipper pull. Number 9, diamond knot. Okay, so for this one we will use 550 paracord, at least 40 centimeter. Okay, so to easily make this one, just put on your middle finger. Okay, and then make the right strand, make a loop like this. Okay, and then the left strand, you will make a weave, insert it here. Okay, and make a weave, so it's like this. Okay, so it's look like this. I will remove so you can see it's clear. So this right strand, you will pass through this main strand, pass through, then insert in the middle. Okay, then the left strand, you will pass through this right main strand, then insert in the middle. Okay, then just remove all the slack. Okay, so now we have to cut the extra strand, then melt the edge. Okay, so now we have our diamond knot paracord zipper pull. Number 10, padlock knot. So for this one we need at least 40 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so first you have to make a bite like this, then the left strand make a loop. Okay, then the right strand make also a loop like this, then put it together, then start inserting on the middle loop like this, then insert it again at least 3 times. Okay, Okay, so also on the other side, start inserting in the loop at least 3 times. Okay, so this is the handle. Okay, so now we have to cut the extra strand both sides and melt the edge of the paracord. Okay, so now we have our zipper pull padlock paracord. Number 11. Okay, so for this one we need at least 50 centimeter. Okay, so make a bite like this, at least 8 centimeter. Then start wrapping around. We will wrap the long one on the shorter one, insert it in the middle like this. Okay, then we will wrap it back, always insert in the middle the 2 main strands. Okay, these 2 are the main strand. Just tighten up. Okay, so wrap it around, insert in the middle. Wrap it around, insert in the middle. So just continue the same process. So the last part, so to lock it, we have to insert it here in the middle between the last strand that crossed. Okay, then we will cut the extra. Then use your lighter to melt this end part. Okay, so also this. Okay, so we have now our fishtail zipper pull paracord. Number 11, the clasp hands knot. So for this one we need at least 50 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, first hold it like this. Okay, make a bite, and then the left strand you will wrap it around on your finger. Then the right strand you will wrap from above, then insert it in the loop. Okay, and then from this point, this strand we will wrap it around at least 3 times. Okay, so this is the second and the third one. then twist it. Okay, so from this point, this one we will wrap also 3 times. One more. Okay, so now we will just tighten up. Okay, so from this point we will cut the extra then melt the tip of the paracord. Okay, so now we have our clasp hands knot zipper pull. Number 13, the mini rose knot. So for this one we need at least 30 cm 550 paracord. So first make a knot, bite like this. So we will make the basic snake knot. So first wrap around on your finger, then the right strand you will wrap around and then insert in the loop, and then from this point you will wrap it on this. You will have to pass through on this strand, then insert it in the middle. In the middle loop. So this one, the strand, you will pass through this main core, then insert it in the middle loop. Okay, so then tighten up everything. If you did it right, it looks like this. Okay, it's like a rose. Okay, so we have now our mini rose paracord zipper pull. Number 14, the true lover's knot. So for this one we need at least 30 cm 550 paracord. Okay, first we will make a knot. Okay, so make a knot like this, a basic knot. Okay, so the basic knot, then the other strand you will insert here in the loop, then you will make also a basic knot. Then you have the look like this. Then yes, tighten it up. Then you will have the true lovers zipper pull knot. Okay, so this one we have to reduce the length, then melt the tip of the paracord, and that's it. You have the true lovers knot zipper pull. Number 15, the noose knot. So for this one we need at least 40 cm 550 paracord. So first, make a bite like this, at least 8 centimeter. Then make another bite. Okay, so and then wrap it around. Okay, so and then the edge of the strand, insert it in the between the loop, then pull it, pull. Okay, so we have to cut this extra, then melt the tip of the strand, and then we have our Noose Knot Paracord zipper pull. Number 16, the crown and diamond knot. So for this one, we need at least 40 centimeter 550 paracord. So first, we have to make a normal knot. Okay, so until here. Okay, so this is overhead knot. So make a pinch here. So this strand that pinching down, you will pinch it together here. Okay, and then this strand that facing upward, you have to pinch it also here, and then you will wrap around under, then insert in this loop, and this strand you will wrap also and insert here. Okay, and then this one you will insert here, and this strand you will insert also here. So it's like this. So gather these two strands and pull it. You have to remove the slack. Okay. The crown and diamond zipper pull. Okay, then cut the extra, then melt the tip. Okay, so now we have our crown and diamond knot zipper pull. Number 17, the triangle knot. For this one, we need at least 30 centimeter 50 paracord. And then first, we have to make a overhead knot like this. Okay, and then so for easier, you have to pinch on this area. Then this strand that facing down, okay, you have to put here, okay, like this. Then the left strand you will including this strand, you will insert here. So it's like this. Okay, then just tighten up. As you can see, there is a triangle knot. Okay, so we have to cut the extra strand. Then melt the tip of the strand. Okay, so we have now triangle knot, zipper pull, paracord. Number 18, the toggle button knot. So for this one, we need at least 25 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so first we will make a loop like this. Okay, the left strand make a loop and cross above. The right strand make a loop and cross under. Okay, so the strand that cross above, you will insert in this loop this way. Okay, and the strand that cross under, you will insert on the left loop like this. Okay, then tighten both sides. Okay, so cut the extra. Then melt the tip of the strand. Okay. So now we have our toggle button paracord zipper pull. Number 19, the beads knot. So for this one, we need at least 50 centimeter 550 paracord. So first, you have to find the middle part, then bend it like this. Okay, so first we have to wrap it. Okay, wrap it on your hand, on your finger twice. 1, 2. Okay, and then remove it. Then insert in the loop. Okay, so then slowly tighten it up. Okay, so you can see there is an X. And under is like this. Okay, so then we will start on the other side of the strand. So the longer one, we will wrap it twice. 1, 2. Then remove, then insert in the loop. So one more, 1, 2. Then insert in the loop. Okay, for the shorter one, you can use a tube like this. Okay, so you have to wrap it twice, first, then second, then remove, then insert. Okay, so we have now our, then cut the extra. Then melt the tip of the paracord. Okay, so we have our beads knot zipper pull. Number 20, the Zipper Sinnet knot. So for this one, we need at least 40 centimeter 550 paracord. Okay, so first make a loop. Okay, then make a small bite, then insert it in the loop, then pinch it here. Okay, so it's like this. So this part will serve as the handle. Okay, then next make another bite and insert in the loop. Then pull this. Okay, and then make a little bit bigger, make another bite, insert in the loop, then pull the left strand. Okay, so a little bit tighten. Okay, so next, this left strand, make a bite, insert in the loop, then pull this one. Okay, then make another bite, insert in the loop, then tighten up. Okay. Okay, so make another bite, pull this one, and make another bite, insert in the loop. Okay, one more. Okay, for the last part, we need to insert this one here to lock it. Then tighten up. Okay. Then cut the extra. Then melt the edge or the tip of the paracord. Okay, so we have now our Zipper Sinnet knot shaper pull paracord. Okay guys, these are the result of our video tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial. God bless.